Good Modika morning. Do you want to play with your kids with full energy and frolic after returning from office? Do you want to remain active, energetic, and alert for the whole day? If your reply is yes, then it's very important to have the optimum quantity of nutrients from your diet as per the daily requirement. But as we know, we do not have the proper dietary habit. That's why we have a very special product in Modi Care for you that is called Multivitamin Multimineral, which bridges the nutritional gap of vitamins and minerals and also keeps you active, alert, and energetic fully. If you will consume one tablet of Multivitamin Multimineral, you will get 12 essential vitamins, 8 important minerals, 6 crucial phytonutrients, and 2 important amino acids. The biggest advantage of taking multivitamin multimineral is that it will always keep you active, energetic, and alert for the whole day, and you'll be able to do your work with full zest and in even bit manner. How to consume this product? You will have to consume one tablet of multivitamin multimineral every day now onwards. So thank you so much.